In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code events on Google Calendar. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. If you're on the Google homepage, click the small grid icon for Google Apps, then choose Calendar. Once you're in, we'll create a new event so you can see how color coding works from the beginning. Click Create, then choose Event. Give your event a clear title, something like On Leave, so it's recognizable at a glance. Next, select the start and end dates that match your time off. Because this example is for leave, we don't need specific times. Instead, turn on all day, so the event sits across the top of your calendar and blocks the entire day. If you're scheduling something that does need times, you can set those, but for leave, we'll keep it all day. Now set the color. In the event details, find your calendar name with a small colored circle next to it. Click that circle to open the palette and choose the color you want for this event. This creates an event-specific color that stands out without changing your calendar's default color. Tip: assign meaning to your colors, green for leave, blue for regular meetings, red for deadlines, so you can scan your week and understand it instantly. High contrast colors are easier to spot in a busy schedule. Click Save. Your new event appears on the calendar in the color you selected. If you want to update an event you already created, click the event to open its preview, then click Edit. In the full editor, look for the same colored circle, click it, and pick your new color. Use Save at the top to apply the change. You'll see the color update right away on your calendar. If it doesn't refresh immediately, just reload the page. A quick clarification: the color you pick inside an event is an override for that event only. It doesn't change the default color for the entire calendar in the sidebar. That's handy if you keep your work calendar blue but want one leave event to be green or a special project to be purple. Also, changing an event's color only affects how it looks to you. It doesn't notify other guests or change what they see on their calendars. For clarity, try using the same colors for similar event types over time. Month view will show solid color blocks, and all-day events appear as banners in week view, making your palette easy to recognize. And that's it. You've created a new event, set it to all day, assigned a color, and updated existing events to match your system. Enjoy your cleaner, more readable Google Calendar.